Hi, everybody. It's Mike Sanderson with Auto Service Experts. I've been getting this question asked to me a lot. Should I buy an extended warranty? Extended warranties have a lot of things that they cover, they have a lot of things that they don't cover. You need to read the fine print and know what's covered and what's not before you decide whether the coverage is for you. They're going to require, in most cases, that your factory scheduled maintenance be done on your vehicle. So if you have a water pump fail at 150,000 miles on your vehicle and you should have had two coolant flushes done before that period and you have no records of those coolant flushes, they are going to tell you they are not going to cover that water pump because you did not do your factory scheduled maintenance. And same way with oil changes. You got to make sure you have your records of every oil change, and they have to be done according to, at minimum, according to the factory scheduled maintenance.